The Certified Reliability Leader training really helped me learn to connect the bigger picture. I had gotten experience working with PMs and criticality, asset data, things like that, but being able to have a framework to organize those ideas and group them in ways that you can communicate with people effectively on needs and plans, that's really powerful for me. And also understanding where the gaps were. Like I have a huge lack of knowledge in strategy and plans, so having that information was a game changer for me.
The whole purpose of me coming here was to learn more about it so I can help my upcoming department in developing a better reliability program. I believe Uptime Elements is the way to go.
I believe, as everybody is embarking on their equipment transformation or equipment reliability journey, that this is a good course that really ties everything together and puts, really a ground up perspective on how you improve equipment, how you perform root cause analysis, and how you tie it together to have better reliable equipment in the long run.
First coming to a reliability program, they only know certain details, certain specific topics about it. It kind of breaks it down to all the elements that are part of that domain.
Yeah, half the battle is, finding the things that you don't know so that you can dive into those deeper, and the training really puts you in that environment so that you can define the things that you don't know and explore.